I haven't seen this done too often before. Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and in today's video we are finally getting the new sort of exhaust set up on the Raptor. So the Raptor already has a Corsa exhaust on it, but we're adding the X pipe today, so it's going to be really loud. Hopefully it's going to be louder than the Camaro. We'll obviously compare later once I get the exhaust put on, but we're going to head over to Doug's place and just get it done. Obviously I wouldn't leave you guys without the last cold startup with the current exhaust setup, so... Oh, of course, I never do this right. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Sounds pretty good. And obviously once we're over at Doug's place, then I'll give you guys like another startup and some revving clips so we can compare it to when the Raptor has the X pipe on it, but yeah. Oh, and if you guys were wondering, here is the whole X pipe setup. So it's kind of under all this stuff in the box from Corsa. There you go, you can see that in there. And by the way, before I start anything with the video, link down below, you guys can get a discount with Corsa. Absolutely love their stuff, you guys know that. So again, discount link. Doesn't do anything for me, I don't make any money off of it, but it gets you guys a discount, so it's a win. Well, we're getting over here to Elite Vinyl Works, and I mean, we're just casually like almost 15 minutes late. Pretty typical for me, just being honest, but you know, trying to be a little bit better. Ooh, looks like Doug's truck is done. Look at that half wrap. Look at that. That looks cool. Blue truck, why you gotta be in the way? Look at that. That is cool. I really like that actually. Yeah, maybe I need to do a review on his truck one day. It's pretty cool. I think he's done some pretty crazy modifications. And by crazy modifications, you guys can see how fat that exhaust tip is. Just saying. Totally legal. Promise, totally legal. Ooh, pulling into the shop. I'm excited, guys. I just want the Raptor to be louder. That's all I want in life. It's just to have a loud Raptor. I haven't seen this done too often before, so you guys can see. This is the same material that you have with a bed liner on the bumpers. Now it's like confirmed. Sorry about my shadow. Now it's confirmed. I definitely need to review Doug's truck, because he's got bed liner bumpers. Look at, I mean, this truck's like pretty modded out. You've got a little bit of a lift, you've got some tires and wheels, you got the cool front grille and the lights. Definitely need to review this truck. It's super interesting. Oh, here we go, guys. You can fully see the X pipe action that is happening, and sorry that I already kind of cut up in the box, but I mean, makes life a whole lot easier. You're cleaning this up, right? Oh look, I threw part of the exhaust actually. So this is the first part. It's a tube. I guess you'd use it as like a looking glass like that. Look, you can kind of see the reflection of the Raptor through it, which is pretty cool. So you got that part, and then you got another tube. And you guys will notice that these are all completely straight. That's very important. And then you got another one. It's the biggest. Pretty light, a little bit heavy, but yeah, that's gonna replace everything that's stock under the Raptor, make it a lot louder, and it'll be fun. After reading the instructions, know 100% what we're doing. So this is actually the X pipe extension, and that's just for the longer wheelbase Raptor. So obviously if you get a super crew like what I have, then it's gonna have a little bit longer wheelbase compared to a super cab. So like if you have a super cab, to my knowledge, it would just be this part that you do, but with the Super Crew, since the truck's longer than you do the extension. And if you guys don't believe me, the instruction manual right here, you can see X pipe extension, 145-inch wheelbase only, and yeah, pretty straightforward. But look at this, don't have to use a 10mm socket, so we're not going to lose anything in the engine bay today. Well, we've got to back up the Raptor onto some ramps. Well, not me, Preston, and... but here you guys go. Some backup action. Ooh. Man, the truck kind of creaks a lot. It's kind of weird, but looks cool like that. While Doug's working on the truck, potentially getting squished, I am going to show you guys something else that's cool that's happening today. So we got the decals here for the Raptor, and obviously you don't want to peel it off or anything like that, but we're doing satin black this time for the decals, because the plan is to make pretty much everything on the truck satin black, and Doug is trying his best not to swear. Well, I've got some really exciting news right here. You guys can see that that part of the exhaust is off. And the more exciting news is Ford decided to make it really difficult to get the resonators off, so Doug just cut them, which it's fun. And yeah, you can see shiny clean, really dirty. So you guys don't know this, but I'm really into making clay pottery. I use my truck to do so. So you can see this item right here, pretty vintage. And again, it's got this really nice texture that you could only get when you obviously drive your Raptor off-road and get it all dirty and get your exhaust all hot. But yeah, look at the difference. Just, yeah, I mean, just how like clean this is. It's absolutely crazy. And more exciting, well, the resonator's off, so it's definitely a lot louder. Like, it's a lot, and we're gonna have to I'm gonna have to like rev it a couple times. Okay, so I'm in the Raptor. Obviously you guys will get like an actual revving clip once the truck is done, but I just want to kind of hear. It's really loud. Like, this is gonna be annoyingly loud. I'm excited. Well, as you can see, we've got a little bit of a mess here, but everything is pretty much all tidied up. And yes, I am keeping the old exhaust even though it's been cut and everything. I think that's awesome. And I think eventually I'm gonna create like a little like memorial or whatever for all the exhausts that I do in my lifetime. So yeah, we're keeping all this because I think it's funny and it's cool. And don't worry, I mean, it doesn't matter, like, I could also like just blow these up. That would be another fun thing to do, but ooh, that one's actually kind of heavy. Ooh. There we go. You hear so much more turbo now, like it's it's really good. It's so much louder. I love it. So my friend is wrapping his Hellcat this color. It is extremely bright, like obnoxiously bright, and hopefully I'll be able to get it in video so you guys can kind of see his car once it's done. But yeah, I thought my color was obnoxious. This is a whole nother level. And the decal put on, and it's gonna make the truck look so much better. I'm so excited for the decal. And I messaged one of my friends on the taillights. I think I'm officially gonna get the taillights tinted because he has his Raptor taillights tinted, I'm pretty sure. So I don't think it's gonna mess with the sensor, hopefully. And if that's the case, if he tells me that's the case, we're getting the taillights tinted as well. Not now, but in the future. Gotta get the grand reveal. Look at that. That looks so good. And see, like I said, we did the satin black this time, and it doesn't clash with the gray fenders or the wheels or anything. It just looks like it should be there. I'm just finishing up the other side, but now you guys can see with the letters popping out like that and with the Raptor logo there on the side, like that is just such a good look. And so now I'm thinking once we get the bumpers for the rear, and the front, then we'll wrap the fender flares and then that little part there, so then that is all black, because you guys can see right here with the lighting the difference, because you can see the coloration with the gray and then with the satin black. So then it'd be nice to have all of that match, and I'm not sure what we're gonna do with these because that's expensive. So we've got all of the decals on just like what we had in the last Raptor, except this time we did the satin black instead of the kind of like metallic gray. And yeah, no, it looks really, really good. So super excited. I'll give you guys like a walk around once I get outside. So this is very important. Got to go to sport mode. Hold the traction control button all the way down. Yeah, now we're ready for some exhaust. So this is just gonna be like the sound that you get in sport mode, but like automatic shifting and just from like the driver's perspective, I guess. It is so much louder. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got free range on this road right here. Yes! Oh my gosh, it is so loud. I gotta get some manual shifts here. See what it sounds like going into first. Oh, it pops so much more. Oh, that sounds so good. And you get like a lot more turbo. I love the sound of this. This is so good. It's just like, it has like such a good sound quality to it. Like, it's got a really good sound quality to it, but then it's also like so much louder where it sounds really good. So we're about to get on the interstate, and if you guys are wondering what that was in the back, that's the old exhaust. But we're about to get on the interstate. I want to see if it sounds different from the interior from acceleration. I'm gonna let the slower Ford go, and that's perfect. So on the inside, even though obviously we have the resonator delete now, it doesn't drone at all here on the highway, so you guys can kind of hear me get into a little bit of a higher gear. Let me see if I can put it into a higher gear. Doesn't drone at all still, so you get like that really nice sound quality. But if you don't want it to be like obnoxiously loud and you still want like that more like luxurious feel you can get with the Raptor, then you just close all the windows and you put it in a higher gear, and then it's quiet again. Like, this is perfect. So many exhaust manufacturers mess it up by having like massive amounts of droning. There's no droning. Like, it's perfect. So we're hopefully gonna get some epic downshifts here. Okay, once we get to 45 miles an hour, oh, it's doing the backfires all the time. Like, that sounds so good. I don't think you guys can like fully understand how good this sounds. Oh, and you can hear so much more turbo too. This is, oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so we are back home, and before we end up the video, obviously I'm gonna give you guys another exhaust clip against the garage door, because I think that'll be like cool, like how it echoes. And yeah, so we'll do it in the last exhaust clip. And again, discount link in the description down below. The discount code with Corsa is just Ben Hardy. Pretty simple. Use it, you get a little bit of a discount, and yeah, let's get some more revving clips. And it's the Popo. That was bad. Okay, let's let's go. Oh man, there's nothing better than the smell of freshly cut exhaust in the morning. I'm just kidding. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And actually, I forgot to give you guys a walk around on the Raptor one last time with all this stuff. So we'll do that, and then we'll officially cap off the video. Sorry about all this crazy stuff. I'm like half asleep. I'm totally going to sleep after I'm done finishing this. But yeah, looks really good with the decals on it, and that's all. Potty, come on. You can do this. I believe in you. Yeah. Look at that. Champ. Champ. Man, this is like the second time I put this on my channel. Probably gonna get demonetized now. Zorro in his natural habitat. It's getting pretty big. I think he's about just over 30 pounds now, and he's only 15 weeks old. So it's gonna be kind of scary once he's full grown. He's probably gonna be like 80 pounds at least. And yeah.